The well-being of future generations was really a piece of aspirational legislation, quite far-reaching in its impact, if properly implemented. And this first year gave us the opportunity to look and see how the audited bodies had responded, and the message is an encouraging one. All the audited bodies have shown that they've been thinking through the legislation. They've started using it to challenge their culture and also to start thinking about how they could change the way in which they work. And that bears out the kind of messages that we've been picking up in our good practice seminars. Audited bodies attending, discussing how they were setting about using the legislation. So all in all, a very encouraging first year. As I said, it has been an encouraging first year, but it's only a start. The audited bodies public sector in Wales needs to move on to think through more clearly how it will implement the legislation on a permanent basis. And that means being more targeted, using the lens of the future generations legislation and particularly the well-being goals to actually amend, change the ways in which we're working, to transform our ways of working in Wales. And I hope that they're some of the themes which will be explored at the forthcoming conference that Sophie Howe, the Future Generations Commissioner, and myself will be holding with the various audited bodies to take forward legislation.